If the screen on your POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max is yellow or orange, just like mine is right now, in order to fix this, we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Display and Brightness. Over here in the Display and Brightness, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then open Reading Mode. So this is the primary reason why your screen might be so yellow or orange. So if you have the reading mode activated, you can of course just turn it off. You might also use a schedule, of course, so in that case you can adjust the schedule, or you can, for example, choose a different reading mode. So we have cycle and classic. In the case of classic, you can adjust the color temperature, so you can decide how strong this filter should be if you still want to use it, but not so, it shouldn't, if you think it shouldn't be so intensive. And besides that, another thing that is worth checking out, so in case it is not the reading mode that turned your screen into this, or uses the reason why the phone uses this yellow filter, another reason might be the color scheme. Although, of course, the color scheme doesn't have that much impact on the display, but if you use like a warm color in here, then of course you might spot that little filter, so you might want to switch to default option in here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.